Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade and Maria from Maria's DIY. Now these are two, I would say, professional DIYers. So when the invitation was issued, I thought, oh boy, I am not the one to do a DIY, but when MomDas gives you an invitation, you better take it up because you learn so much. And Marie is so good at her DIY. I had to do something. At first, I thought I would do this little DIY here, and it's very, very basic. It was just some jars from the dollar store that I just put some of these blinks on, and of course, at the very bottom, I have some rocks, and then I also have some candles in there. But knowing how these ladies are so good at DIY, I thought this will not stand up to the test. So let me show you what I did actually with a DIY for less than half an hour. I was in the kitchen. I want to show you exactly what I was able to do with this DIY. Let's get started. To remove the labels, I have wiped these two bottles down with Heinz cleaning vinegar, and I'm leaving it for about 10 minutes, then I'll see what happens. Actually, what I did before was I added some hot water in the inside of the bottles. I had read before that I needed to add water, hot water, in when I was trying to take off some plastic labels before, and that just really, hot water really messed up the plastic bottles, of course. So now these are glass bottles. I'm just going to pour the hot water in. If nothing else, it cleans the inside, which I really need to do. So I figure I'm gonna just wait for about 5 or so minutes, and then I'll try to take the labels off and see what happens. I'm actually on my kitchen counter right now trying to clean these labels off. So this is what it looks like, and we'll wait another 10 minutes and see what it really looks like. One seemed to have soaked better than the other, so with the kitchen knife I'm able to really scrub it off. So we'll probably have to soak the other one a little bit more, but this one is coming off real easily, so I'll continue to use the kitchen knife. So we'll see what it looks like in just a few more minutes. I've cleaned off most of the stickers. It's a little bit gluey now, so I'm going to use some olive oil that I have here to do the final steps. So I have just some extra virgin olive oil. That's what I have in the kitchen. So I'll just put some on paper towel and wipe to see how well it comes off. So let's watch the next step. I'm now pouring some hot water in this container here in the sink to try and get the rest of the glue off. So here I am pouring the hot water on this to clean it up, maybe the water, and then we'll be able to use these bottles in just a few more minutes. I'm pouring the hot water on just the area here as well. Pouring the hot water on the bottles did not seem to do the trick, so I just used some extra olive oil that I have here as well, and just use it to wipe with some paper towel, of course, to wipe the bottles down, and it's perfect as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to go on to the next step. First, I want to say a big thank you both to Maria and MomDas for hosting this collab. I am so appreciative. Thank you, ladies. And again, I will have the information in the description box below as far as the playlist is concerned, and both Maria and MomDas will have it in their description box. And please go over to their channels, watch the playlist, watch all the participants, see the ones that you like, subscribe to their channels, and of course, don't forget, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. So these are the two new containers for my fabric softener now. I've just added them into my laundry room on the decor side. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. I'm certainly not a DIY person, so when I got the invitation to do this collab, I was more than excited because it pulls me out of my little corner, so to speak. And so I am very happy to have included these into my laundry room. Take a look. The laundry room is more like the area that I really enjoy coming in to do any type of washing, or even just to be in here sometimes. Take a look how beautiful it is. And thanks again, ladies, for hosting this collab. I certainly would not have done this without your challenge that you issued to all of us. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time to subscribe to my channel. That is, if you have not already done so. And don't forget, I do videos every Friday on home organization. This is what my laundry room looks like right now, and I'm so happy that I've taken the time to do this collab. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.